If you are in search of a true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, latest Bluetooth 5.2, amazing sound quality, long-lasting battery life, premium design, ambient sound, low latency gaming mode, clear voice calls, IPX5 water resistant, comfort fit, and so much more features, then the Oraimo FreePods Pro is an amazing choice for you. I'll be sharing my honest opinion about the Oraimo FreePods Pro, and you will also know whether you should upgrade from the FreePods 3 or not. It comes in this elegant looking box with a grand style unboxing experience. You get the FreePods Pro, free silicone case, ANC instruction card, the user manual, the extra ear tips, and Type-C charging cable. The FreePods Pro case looks elegant with its shiny sandstone external finish, the glossy shiny internal finish, and the premium looking textured Oraimo logo at the front with metal finish. Oraimo provided this silicone case in the box, which is cool because it saves you some extra money, and I recommend you always wear the silicone case if you don't want the earbuds case to be filled with scratches within the first week of usage. At the bottom is the USB Type-C port, and it takes about 2 hours to fully recharge the case. I am also quite impressed on how it took about 40 minutes to fully recharge the earbuds, which is very fast at this price point. At the front is a reset button, which is nice to have because it easily fixes the common pairing issues. The lightweight earbuds actually have a good design and build quality. I love the shiny round stem with metallic coating, and the dual color tone matte finish at the protruded top side gives a more comfort and secure fit. The top of the stem shows the pairing LED, while the bottom has the 2 external mics and charging pins. The magnets are quite strong to keep the earbuds intact in the case. Active noise cancelling, ambient mode, and low latency gaming mode are 3 most important features found in expensive earbuds, and it's amazing how Oraimo included these 3 important features in the cheaper and more affordable FreePods Pro. The ANC mode actually does a good job in cancelling out a significant portion of the noise in the background, thanks to the pre-hybrid noise cancellation technology. Likewise, the transparency or ambient mode does a good job in keeping you aware of the environment with a more natural sounding background noise. The low latency gaming mode does not completely remove the latency delays like in expensive earbuds, but the FreePods Pro comes really close, which is commendable at this price point. Finally, there's also a dual EQ mode that switches between AV bass and normal modes. The AV bass mode actually increases the volume and bass effect by 40%, which is amazing. The only issue which is expected at this price point is the absence of an app to make it more convenient to switch between these modes. Although there is also a notification that shows the battery status of the earbuds only, and there's a feature to find the earbuds when lost, which are cool. It supports Google Fast Pairing with pop-up notification, which shows this cool animation during pairing for the first time. Subsequent pairing is almost instant, and the Bluetooth connection is stable indoors within 10 meters. The touch controls are very responsive with short beeps and audible voice prompts for each mode. I always feel like I'm using an expensive earbuds anytime I use the touch controls. Over time, you will get used to the 15 touch controls. Another cool thing is the in-ear detection, which automatically pauses the music or video playback whenever you take the earbuds out of your ear and plays again when you put the earbuds back in your ear. The Oraimo FreePods Pro has an insane battery life on a single charge that is better than most expensive earbuds. Depending on the volume level, I was getting between 9 to 13 hours of battery life with ANC off and between 5 to 9 hours of battery life with ANC on. 9 hours of battery life at max 100% volume on a single charge is an incredible performance at under $60 price point. Nice job, Oraimo. Another cool thing is the fast charging technology for the earbuds in the case that took about 40 minutes to fully charge, while it took about 2 hours to fully charge the case. Just like most expensive earbuds, the single LED has 3 colors that indicates the battery status of the earbuds when you open the case. Also, you can know the battery status of the case when you press the button at the front. Now, let's talk about the sound quality. The FreePods Pro has a smaller 8mm sound driver, which is below average in this price point, but Oraimo has done a really good job in tuning the sound to deliver an amazing quality experience, which can make you think it has a larger 12mm driver. The bass level is deep, the mids and vocals are clearer, but you are always reminded it's an 8mm driver by the muffled whistling sound at higher frequencies, which is actually manageable. I always turn on the ANC and AV bass mode to get a deeper bass effect. Overall, the FreePods Pro provides a good sounding experience and is actually quite loud. This is the Oraimo FreePods Pro microphone quality test, and it's a little bit windy around here and there's generator noise sounding behind me. So let me know what you guys think about the audio quality Lastly, it supports IPX5 water resistance, which is above average at this price point. The Oraimo FreePods Pro is an amazing true wireless earbuds for just $60 or 35,000 naira, and I highly recommend it. If you already own the FreePods 3, I will advise you hold on to it if you really love the deeper surround bass and the higher frequency stability. Otherwise, the FreePods Pro is a far better choice, although with double the price. Thanks so much for liking, subscribing and watching this video. Stay safe. Bye.